National Sealing. We're going to be restoring or redying these faded pavers. As you can see, they've faded over time. Pavers have to be protected almost annually or they fade. And so what we have developed is a dyeing process. Now, as you can see from this process, it still allows for any variations in the pavers to still show. That's the whole idea. Now, staining of pavers is completely different. When you go to Home Depot and you buy stain and you stain the pavers, well, they're going to look painted. Just a horrible, desperate look, and that's why we developed this. This can restore faded pavers to virtually new looking. So we mobilize across the country with this application, and as you can see, it completely restores the pavers, still allows for the variations in the colors to show through.